Hello children, welcome to this video. It is for class 4 subject English literature. Students, in this video we are going to do exercise of the chapter The Enlightened Butcher. इस वीडियो में हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 5 The Enlightened Butcher का एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Let's begin.
Word meanings and their use in sentences. First word is devote. D-E-V-O-T-E, devote. Devote means dedicate, समर्पित होना. She devoted herself to her career. She devoted herself to her career. Attend means to be present, उपस्थित होना. How many people attend church every Sunday? Perched, P-E-R-C-H-E-D. Perched means rested on a branch, किनारे पर बैठा. There was a bird perched on the roof. Furiously means angrily, गुस्से में. They worked furiously all weekend. Gaze, G-A-Z-E, gaze means to look for a long time at something. To look for a long time at something, एकटक देखना. She gazed at him in amazement. Course, C-H-O-R-E-S, course means small daily work to be done in a home, means घर के कामकाज. The lady was doing her household chores. Mourn, M-O-U-R-N, mourn means feel sadness for the death or loss of something. शोक मनाना या किसी चीज़ के खो जाने के बाद अफसोस करना. He was still mourning, M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G. He was still mourning his brother's death. Insult means treat rudely, अपमान करना. She felt insulted by the low offer. Pious, P-I-O-U-S, pious means religious, धर्मनिष्ठ. She is a pious follower of the faith. Calmly, C-A-L-M-L-Y, calmly means peacefully, शांतिपूर्वक. She calmly replied. Amazed means filled with सरप्राइज, आश्चर्यचकित हुआ. The man was amazed. Virtue, V-I-R-T-U-E, virtue means moral goodness, नैतिक गुण. You have not understood the truth about virtue. You have not understood the truth about virtue. Deserted, D-E-S-E-R-T-E-D, deserted means abandoned, means छोड़ दिया. You deserted your father and mother. Mystical, M-Y-S-T-I-C-A-L, mystical means beyond human understanding, आध्यात्मिक. Watching the sunrise over the mountain was an almost mystical experience. Watching the sunrise over the mountain was an almost mystical experience. Answer the following questions. First question is, where did Kaushik want to go? Where did Kaushik want to go? Answer is, Kaushik wanted to go off into the jungle and devote himself to spiritual studies. Kaushik wanted to go off into the jungle and devote himself to spiritual studies. Spiritual studies means अध्यात्म का दर्शन करना, means अध्यात्म के बारे में जानना. Why did his mother not want to let him go? Why did his mother not want to let him go? Answer is, his mother did not want to let him go because Kaushik's parents are very old and no one was there to look after them. What happened one day when he was meditating? What happened one day when he was meditating? One day when he was meditating under a tree, a crane flew up and sat herself on a branch above Kaushik, and droppings fell on his head. One day when he was meditating under a tree, a crane flew up and sat herself on a branch above Kaushik, and droppings fell on his head. Why was the sage amazed at the woman's words? Why was the sage amazed at the woman's words? Here sage means sadhu. The sage was amazed at the woman's words because the woman knew about the crane. Last question. What did the butcher make the sage realize? What did the butcher make the sage realize? Butcher told him that you ran away from your responsibilities. Spiritual achievement is useless if one has neglected one's duties. Butcher told him that you ran away from your responsibilities. Spiritual achievement is useless if one has neglected one's duties. Now students, it's a homework time. So the first question is, choose the correct options. 3 options are given for each sentence and you have to choose correct one. So the first sentence is, who was the only son of his parents? Options are Kaushik, Ramshik or Naushik. Who was the only son of his parents? Kaushik, Ramshik or Naushik. Next, where did Kaushik go for the study the Vedas? Where did Kaushik go for the study the Vedas? Options are village, jungle or city. Next, who was Dharmavyad? Who was Dharmavyad? Options are carpenter, butcher or tailor. Next sentence, how many sons had Dharmavyad? 3, 4 or 2? How many sons had Dharmavyad? 3, 4 or 2? And the last sentence is, from where this story has been taken? From where this story has been taken? Options are Ramayana, Mahabharata or Panchatantra. And the next question is, write true or false. First sentence, Kaushik had a small sister. Kaushik had a small sister. Next, Kaushik looked gently at the bird on the tree. Next, Kaushik gained great mystical power. And the last one is, if we neglect our duty, spiritual achievements is of no use.
So children, you have to do word meanings, question answers in your English literature notebook.